Hello viewers, let's quickly make some apple flowers. Cut apple into 2 pieces. Remove the side and remove the seeds. Cut into very thin pieces like this. Microwave for 1 minute. The microwaving makes the apple tender and soft. After microwaving, allow to cool and arrange pieces in this order and roll. Turn it and open up a little on top. Keep a small slice of apple on side to give some more shape. Continue for all the remaining pieces. And yes, the apple flowers are ready. It's simple. The practice will make the flower shapes more accurate. Thank you for watching the video. See you soon in another episode. Till that time, bye bye.